everyone, it's me, Miss Branch, here with lesson 3 of quarter 4, and we're gonna do some shaped animals. So I need you to get your baggie of shapes, your foam shapes, and of course your wiggly eyes, and of course your glue and scissors in case you need it. So in this one, I looked at the shapes and decided to turn this star in this tear shape into a lion. And then I said, let me make a giraffe too when I saw the ovals. And I had to cut them a bit to get the shapes I needed. But you can make any animal you can think of. So let me go ahead and switch my camera and think of some other things to make. All right, so let's switch. All right, so in your baggie of shapes, you just take some out and try and figure out what did it look like to you. And of course, you're not going to need this many, but if you want to make this many, that's totally up to you. Oh, you know what? Let's see. Hmm. Ooh, you know what? That kinda looks like, oh, I could do a nose. That looks almost like a cartoon nose. Oh, and then I can make some teeth. Eh. I could make a hippopotamus. Let me see. Nope, nope, nope. The hippopotamus, their nose is more like that. Do I have any more little tiny tear shapes? You know what? If you don't have the shape like I did on this one, you could always just draw it with your marker on there. Let's see. Oh, that could be a leg. Oh, I can make that a leg. Oh, I can make a mouse. Hmm. That could be a mouse and then give it some mouse ears. Well, you know what? Or I could do, there is just so many possible. I could turn this upside down heart into a nose. Hmm. Oh, I could cut the pieces off this star and those could be legs. Well, you know what? I have an idea. Let's see. Oh, I got a circle and an oval. Do I have another little circle? Let's see. Is there another pink circle? Well, it doesn't have to be pink. I can use whatever color. Oh, there's another little tiny circle, smaller circle. I think I'll use it. That blue. Okay, yes. And I like this part with the pink. So I'm gonna move these out the way. I don't need these. And oh, I think I'll use this triangle. All right, so I'm gonna cut this triangle in half. I'm gonna make a pig. So I'm gonna cut this triangle in half. And those are gonna be the pig ears and the nose and the snout. And I'm gonna cut these pieces off this triangle, this star, 2, 3, 4. I only need 4, but I'll go ahead and cut that other one off since I already cut the other ones off. And so now I have my pig legs. 3, 4. And now I gotta look in my bag for my eyes. Hmm, now you're giving me trouble opening up the bag. All right, here we go. 1. Ugh, it's giving me trouble. 1, 2. There we go. It was a little hard to pick them up. They were kind of like stuck on the bag a bit. And there I have my eyes. And now I got static electricity sticking it onto me. Ah, and that would be a cute little pig. Oh, it needs a tail. Hmm. I can just cut a little piece off of this. Oh, you know what? I just found in my bag, I found a pink oval. Instead of the circle, I could do the oval for the nose. There we go. And I can cut a little piece off of this for my pigtail. Let's see. I'm gonna cut and I'm gonna follow the curve and keep going. Uh, I cut a little bit much. I'm gonna cut a little bit more off. There we go. And it curls a little bit. So now I have a curly pigtail. There we go. So now I have to glue my pieces down. And again, not a lot, just a dot. A dab of glue will do. And rub a little bit. And it sticks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little dot on there. I'm gonna just get a little bit from the nozzle instead of making a big dot. And a little bit from the nozzle. And there we go. Oh, there we go. I think I'll put the dot on that part because it fell, and then I got glue right there. And then this one landed in the glue. So now I'm gonna move it. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my marker and put 2 little dots for the nostrils on my pig. There we go. You know what? I even know I'm gonna make the pig. I could turn the pig this way and make it look like a person. It doesn't have to be realistic. I think I like the pig that way. Look like a person. Or should I do the pig like a real pig and turn it this way? Huh. And so many choices. As an artist, you get to decide what looks good to you. Which one do you like to do? So I could do both if I have enough pieces, but they don't have to be the same color. So yeah, I can make the pig look like he's sitting down. Hmm. Anyway, standing, walking, standing, walking. I think I'll go with walking because that's what I started on. Although, as artists, you're allowed to change your mind and make it up as you go. That is the cool thing about art. You get to make so many choices about what you're going to do with your art. Now, I put 3 little dots on that one because of how how long it was. And let's see, I'm gonna put 4 dots. 2, 3, 4. And now I can just put these pieces on the dot, make it close to the pig's body. And there we have a pig. Now let's see, what else could I make? Let's play around with these until I figure out something. Let's see. I got triangles. I like the upside down heart as an idea for a nose or a face. Like that. Or I can make it like, ooh, what about a bumblebee? Huh. Let's see. And these could be wings. Or I could just do a butterfly. Oh, I like the bumblebee idea. A pink bumblebee. Well, let's see what other colors I have in my bag. Oh, you know what? I can use this green for, oh, let's see. Yep, there we go. I've been liking my bumblebee. Now, let's see. Of course, I'm gonna put not a lot, just a dot, and rub it a little bit, and it sticks. And not a lot, just a dot, rub a little bit, and it sticks. And then I'm gonna put 2 dots on my wing because one has to be on the body, or it doesn't have to be. It could be just like at the edge. Yeah, I'm gonna just put 2 and put it like at the edge. And then, because I decided it's gonna be a bumblebee, I'm gonna just use my marker. Even though it's a blue, I'm still going to just draw the lines on. And then, of course, my wiggle eyes. Drawing 2 wiggle eyes for my bee. Or I could just do one because I could have the bee looking sideways. Like you only see one eye. Like I only did one eye on my giraffe because it's looking sideways. But that's totally up to you, which way you want to do it. So do I want one eye or do I want 2? Oh, I kind of like it with the 2. All right. So I'm going to use my glue and carefully put my 2 dots on. And then I can put my wiggle eyes on. And you know what? I can use my marker and I can draw some legs like we did on the ladybug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm gonna make a stinger. I'm gonna give it a smile. I could turn it into a turtle. There's just so many possibilities that you can make. You could come up with any animal you want. You can make anything you would like. Oh, sorry about that, everyone. All right, everyone. I will see you in. Let me switch my camera. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Really?